And you don't judge people.
I
You
don't.
don't.
I judge them heavily, but I don't show them.
But like you've told me that you don't like form an opinion on. Like I asked you about somebody, you were like no. तो तू नहीं करता है उन्हें judge.
मैं क्या करूंगा जज करके? If someone's of not my concern, कोई मेरी लाइफ में मेरे को
It's not of your concern, but so like you're a good person, basically.
Thanks, we got that on camera, guys. We are done with the pod. नहीं, but क्या करना है? Why the hell do I have to spend my bandwidth
Your
on
life
people?
is already miserable. Why
हाँ.
can't you just add a backstory or a side story to it for
I have
your own
enough.
entertainment purposes?
I have enough story with me as the main character and people around.
Latent, for starters.
ठीक है. उस पे भी आते हैं.
हाँ.
उस पे आएंगे. उसकी मेरे को exact story पे भी आने की why the hell, what's your opinion about it getting banned or whatnot. But I don't have an opinion about people because वो मेरे को परेशान नहीं कर रहा. If you are troubling me in some or the other manner,
opinion थोड़ी होता है, तब तो सीधा fight होती है ना.
नहीं.
Not like fight as in जाके, like you know beef, like unspoken beef होती है तब तो.
I prefer ignorance. Just don't
You're
address the existence.
Yeah, you are a sensible person.
Trying to
I'm
be.
leaving. Bye. No, but like okay, so like the person I was talking to you about, like I do have an opinion on him because he's involved with my friend.
हाँ.
And
नहीं तो बोले तो पता नहीं लगेगा.
they will know who I'm referring to.
Just say no. Controversy. हाँ.
But yeah, like I have an opinion, like I agree, like मैं ऐसे random लोगों पे opinion ऐसे नहीं करती हूँ. But yeah, like he does not concern me. Like I am not involved with him in any way. He's not my friend. We've not even talked. But he's involved with somebody that's my friend, and he's a piece of shit to them.
Okay.
So
Wow.
so you're
Yeah.
and you're a piece of shit automatically.
Yeah.
That's what I do. Like I'm like a second-hand judgmental sort of a person. Like, do you get it?
Yeah. Basically, you're concerned about your friend more. That is the thing.
Yeah, that could.
That is basically तेरे को उस बंदे से फर्क इसलिए पड़ रहा है क्योंकि तेरी फ्रेंड को फर्क पड़ रहा है उस बंदे से.
हाँ, yes.
That is the thing.
Yeah.
For me, I process it in a way कि अगर मेरे किसी दोस्त को या in any relation if someone's being affected by some XYZ person, rather than knowing that XYZ person, I'll talk to that person कि भाई what has been bothering you and why don't you work upon it and fix it. If your friend is being affected too much, why does not she just cut off? Yeah, because my friend is very stupid. She's stupid, and like I would not say stupid. I would say she sensitive. No, not sensitive. Like like see, being sensitive is not equivalent to being stupid. Yeah. I would not say that stupid. I also did not mean it in that way. हाँ, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. हाँ. But she's हम
not
मत बोल.
stupid.
नहीं but go on, sorry.
But she's not stupid. I would not call her stupid. She's sensitive, and I think she thinks very highly of that person. That okay, this person will change somehow, and this person will understand my perspective. Like she thinks so highly of that person, but no, that person is not who you think he is.
एक तो it is like जब तुमने सोच लिया that I'll change the other person or the other person will change for me types.
Or maybe हाँ.
उस दिन समझ लो that you are in a deep shithole that there is no coming back from.
मतलब
ठीक है.
And ऐसा भी नहीं है that it's been like, you know what, let's not talk. I really like that girl. I don't want.
Yeah.
Like I don't. But yeah, like it's not even कि it's been so many years or something. It's just been a couple of months, and he's already draining the fucking life out of you. So like.
Yeah, if you're draining, then there is no sense of sustaining it. वो होगा ही नहीं. किसी भी bond में, not just your relationship.
They're not even hot.
Is it a mandate?
That thing is not even hot.
Is it a mandate? अच्छा मैं डाइनिंग देख रहा था order.
It's not a mandate, but I think like for women specifically, when like let me talk about the female list. When a woman finds a guy hot, it's not his physique. It's the entire package. Like okay, if like you saw that guy walking, I did not find him hot.
Fair.
It's because
we're talking about a guy, guys.
So he walked in, and I did not like the way he was walking, and he did not give off that vibe that like for me personally, like what I look for in a guy is basically like he should look like he reads. He should look like he is well informed. And I have this like women have this entire backstory of a guy that they find hot. For men, if you'll be like they just rate a woman like okay she's hot like on the basis of her looks. But for
Right.
women, it's not the case. Like
Right.
okay, let me tell you. For some women, you might be like, oh, he looks like he writes poetry for women who abandon him, and he's so hot.
Oh my god.
That is how women like. You don't look like that.
Yeah, I know. I don't look like someone who writes poetry.
You
I write jokes on my dumb.
and
But
even though you are like you conventionally you look fine, but many people,
Wow.
many women would not find you hot. Why? Because you give off that boy wali vibe. That is the thing.
I've been called a nice guy and a boy on the
That's-
same podcast. Wow, there you go.
But yeah, that's what the female gaze is.
Yeah, fair.
Like for me, even when like my boyfriend, how he looked like a fucking loser, and I was
Yeah.
like, that is so hot.
Yeah, got it.
That's what it is. And I talked to him, like usually for me, like for any women, like especially for my friends, like they will think that okay, they'll make this entire backstory that okay, this guy looks like this. I'm gonna talk to him, and then he opens his mouth, and then it's like all gone. It's all dry.
Yeah.
You're all dry.
Yeah.
So it's like okay,
I get you.
Yeah.
No, this similar thing that has been happening with me. I've spoken to you about it. एक तो हाँ, this is very true. That girls just usually that जितनियों से मैंने बात करी है, in terms of friends or whatever, they just don't go for looks.
They don't.
They have like the entire.
You will see the hottest women with the most questionable creature.
I was one of those. I'm
so glad you're self-aware.
Yeah. And I thank that woman that why did she stick around?
It's such a green flag when men know that they look like shit.
ठीक है, fair.
Not like, but they know that they're like not shit, but like
in comparison,
yeah,
if
in
you
comparison
say
to
yeah,
their woman.
yeah, true that. It's very
It's hot. Like I would think highly of that guy. I would find that guy hot, bro. You're
got
hot.
it.
You're
got
hot
it,
for that. You're
got
hot for self-sabotaging.
self-awareness. That's the thing.
Right.
So, nahin, I thank that woman because it was the similar case. But men around majority of them have this ki haan, she looks nice.
She's fine, huh?
She's fine. I find her attractive.
Tabhi, I think like most of the women they complain that once you're in a relationship with guys, they don't talk to you.
Exactly, because
They cannot.
तुमने बस looks पे ही define कर दिया.
Yeah, you don't know how.
Thank you so much, Bia.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks. हाँ, because it is a very avid thing. तुमने अपना relationship basis looks के basis पे सिर्फ start करा है.
Guys.
End this investigation. But तुमने अगर अपना relationship सिर्फ looks के basis पे start करा तो वो sustain कैसे होगा? That is the reason that there are a fraction of men. I don't know, but I consider myself in those. कि मतलब सिर्फ looks के basis पे कोई चल ही नहीं सकता भाई. It's like I have spoken to really cute women, but too boring. Too boring. You're aware about it.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Yeah. It's like if I cannot just sit and have a decent conversation with someone, or I can just open up with someone, then what's the point of being with them?
It's also okay. There's also this one thing I've seen a lot of people around like joking about women falling in love online. Like I don't know if
I have seen women falling in love online as well.
Yeah, it's like that. They have not even spoken on call. They're like texting, and women are like head over heels. And my own friends have been victims of this. Why? And you can imagine that the girl has not even seen the guy.
Yeah, online dating तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आती.
It's like I don't support it either कि भाई online but I'm just explaining you the psychology behind that. Women value conversation and your brain more than they value looks, because why else would they talk to you then? Why else would they fall in love with you?
Why else you're talking to me?
Exactly.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Got it. Then that makes sense. And it is actually something which is very evident and much required. कि मतलब, if you both are attracted to each other by looks, physically, whatever, एक certain amount of attraction होता है. But eventually वो तो fade away हो ही जाना है ना. It will fade away. And वो sustain नहीं होगा.
हाँ, नहीं होगा obviously. But then if you like fall in love with somebody's mind or how they think, and you're like, okay, we have the same ideology, and you like talking to that person, you'll even if they're not conventionally attractive, you'll start finding them attractive. That's what it is. I don't think Mera Banda is very hot to in the entire world,
Fair.
but he's the hottest chick to me.
Yeah, it's like beauty is subjective.
हाँ, it is.
Same is personality in other ways. मतलब किसी को किसी की पर्सनालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, किसी को किसी की पर्सनालिटी बहुत बुरी लगेगी. It is just a matter of subjectivity and
मेरे साथ नहीं, मेरी personality सबको अच्छी लगती. Anyways.
moving on. नहीं, हाँ. So this comes with the fact कि why are men so non-expressive or why are they so terrible in communicating? क्योंकि हमने बताया ना, we discuss करा कि women they communicate, they have a conversation, eventually figure out, but men तो वही है पहली love at first sight, which is not true.
हाँ, it's
But 2 दिन के प्यार बतेरे देखे मैंने लड़कों के आसपास, and eventually
it's infatuation. For men, it's infatuation.
it's not even infatuation. I feel it is just a matter of fact that you find someone cute and you think that you're in love.
No, infatuation is like when you find them cute and you're like obsessed with them for some amount of time. And you
Obsession
disguise-
and possession भी आ जाता है ना फिर कि कोई और बात करेगा तो why is he talking, why am I not
She's
talking?
my property. She's my property.
Yeah, and I don't have boss to just go up to and talk to her, but if this other guy has, why is he doing?
So you're referring to people who don't get together but still.
Yeah,
Ah,
like कि मतलब someone,
I've seen this a lot.
it is a lot in our college as
It's very hot.
trust me,
It's very.
it's not. It's like it's been so. I've been like, मतलब it has been slightly simpler for me.
मुझे तो बढ़िया लगता है.
It's been
You're like,
slightly
please
simpler for
control
me.
me. Like I won't listen to you, but please at least try doing that. I also like it.
But we eventually end up to a fact that why do you think men are so terrible at communication? Most men are.
It's by communication. See, I don't think they're terrible at communication because you'll see them in jobs. You'll see them
I am not talking
So,
about
emotional.
by men. I mean men around our age. We are around 20ish, early 20s, and there are people around us. I have seen there are a lot of men who are very hesitant in communicating what they feel. Emotional communication.
हाँ.
Not communication की भाई बात कर ली. वो communication they have it more than women. वो communication के नाम पे अपनी
Wow.
outfit of the day की photo
हाँ,
भेजेंगे
हाँ,
बिना outfit.
हाँ.
ठीक है?
Right.
So that is not a type of communication I'm talking about. I'm
We're
talking about emotional.
expressive.
Yeah, expressing कि what they actually feel. मतलब वो अपनी they won't tell what they're feeling to their partner, but they'll just tell it to their brother or
They don't even they don't do that. They don't do that either. They don't open up. They might tell them, but they don't open up.
why do you think so?
It's ये आदमियों की गलती है. They think it makes them any less of a man to feel stuff.
नहीं.
And it's true. It's true because भाई आसपास भी तुम देखो, people are like, oh, like just man up and just, but like I've genuinely seen people being like this, and I'm not going to blame men entirely. I'm going to blame society. That involves women as well.
Yeah.
But I believe that it's a part of patriarchy thing because patriarchy affects men as well. Like you are expecting men to man up and not to be feminine, stereotypical,
Yeah.
to cry or to show emotions or to talk. Like, why is it so, like, I don't know, it's so surprising when somebody is like, oh, my boyfriend communicates. But if
Yeah.
you say that my girlfriend communicates, it's normal. But
Yeah.
when a guy is doing that, it's not. Because
Fair.
because you don't see that. And why do you not see that? Because men are themselves hesitant that okay, it would somehow form like create a scratch on their masculinity.
Moreover, masculinity, I feel it comes from a phase of slight oppression by the society as well. जो तूने बोला कि हाँ society ने एक
Society.
patriarchy बना दिया that men have to behave like certain way and similar for women as well. But eventually मेरे को लगता है कि men find difficult to trust people with whom they can open.
ये औरतों के साथ भी होता है. But औरतें
औरतें बहुत जल्दी open up कर देती है
हाँ, तो
as
वही.
compared. औरतें girls around have opened up with people. I've seen.
Let me tell you.
Huh.
Okay, I've genuinely I've like the guys sometimes when I talk, I have this thing of okay, this is very stupid, but when I was 14, 15, I've always been chronically online and I loved bands and shit. So मैं बहुत random लोगों से बात करती थी on Discord, on Instagram. So I've talked to a lot of guys as well. and all of them, I don't know how, like they have always been like, oh, I'm going through so much, I'm going through this, I'm going through that, but it always has a condition that, okay, I'm going through so much, will you do this for me? Like, guys do that. And
Say more about it.
like, you know like emotionally blackmailing sort of thing. Ki I'm going through this and that, and I'm like, I'm stuck in this phase. I'm not able to do this. Like, they won't share their real emotions, but they will have, like, they use it against women, some men. Ki okay, she will understand. And while growing up, I have experienced this बहुत ज़्यादा, so I know. So it's not that men find people difficult to trust. They don't trust themselves that, okay, I should tell this to the other person, and like for once they can trust and they can tell the other person, right? If like they trust their friends,
Yeah.
but they don't tell this to them either.
Yeah.
Tell their stuff to their friends
It's
either.
like men are more homophobic also in that sense.
हाँ, it's like तो gay क्यों हो रहा है?
हाँ,
Gay क्यों हो रहा है?
that has happened so many times with me when I've just just spread out my hands to hug a friend. Ki, bhai, we've been meeting after so long and that guy has been so hesitant.
When you do, हाँ बोल.
मतलब वो बस hesitant था. Like क्या हो गया? No, it is very normal. I feel. मतलब if you're not comfortable, it's fine. That makes sense. But most of the guys, it's the same comment.
It's the same, and it's not just कि they don't like, उनके अपने आप में ट्रस्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, तुम्हें औरतों से ट्रस्ट नहीं, I get it.
I agree.
वो अपने आपस में भी, if they try to open up, their guy friends would be like, भाई क्या कर रहा है, भाई ठीक है भाई, हो जाएगा.
Make better friends. I feel I have great friends in that sense.
You have. That is
Yeah.
why you are like, you're not a
Yeah.
piece of shit. That's why. That's why we are friends.
I'm noticing. ऐसे nice guy and not a piece of shit.
No,
Let's go.
you're not a fuckboy. I'm just, like
I get you. Sorry, yaar. To continue, guys.
So वही चीज है कि like when you see women, वो बैठ के वो बहुत देर तक एनालाइज करेंगे, सब करेंगे, ये सब. And like even women, when like you take relationship advice from them, they will dig deep, they will understand the psychology of the other person, and वो last में जाके conclusion निकालेंगे.
It is because of the fact that women are more empathetic. Men are
And
men, why the hell am I fumbling? भाई मेरी जीभ ठंडी हो गई है बर्फ से.
It's because of me. So women are more empathetic because they are being taught to be.
They are brought up like that.
They are brought up like
Yeah.
that. भाई बचपन से मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ.
हाँ.
Like मेरे घर पे तो ऐसा नहीं है. मेरे घर पे मुझे जनरली आदमियों की तरह बड़ा. Like मेरा household is very weird. It's liberal in a very weird way.
Yeah.
Like I have not been ever, like I've never ever felt in my household that I'm a girl.
Okay.
Genuinely. मुझे like what I can wear, whatever I can, like मैं सबको.
Basically, you mean by a stereotypical वाला जो होता है ना.
Stereotypical, हाँ,
Got it.
my parents are very strict, but I feel like अगर मैं आदमी होती तो वो मेरी life और hell हो जाती.
Okay.
Genuinely.
हाँ.
So what was I saying?
You were saying about that you've been raised like a guy, not a
उससे पहले I
stereotypical
was
girl.
gonna say.
No. We were talking about that women are more empathetic than men.
I have genuinely seen people, like even in the most
Yeah.
like educated, literate household, there is a, and मैं नहीं कह रही कि लड़की को कम पढ़ा लिखा रहा है, लड़के को ज्यादा पढ़ा लिखा रहा है. It's like women are somehow expected to adjust to their environment,
Got it.
and men are like कि वो तो ऐसा ही है, छोड़ दो उसे. You know, it's
Yeah.
like both are getting good education, both are getting equally loved, but the responsibilities. वो even I think मेरे एक relative थे, they even said कि अगर लड़की पहले हो जाए, like I think somebody was pregnant, so they were like लड़की पहले पैदा हो जाए, पहली बेटी तो लड़की होनी चाहिए, दूसरा चाहे लड़का हो, क्योंकि लड़कियां ध्यान अच्छे से रखती है बच्चों का. So she's not even born, that child is not even born, and
You are giving
you
it
have expectations from her.
responsibility. Yeah.
He's a child.
Yeah.
तुम लड़के के बारे में तो नहीं बोलते कि लड़का हो जाए पहले, वो लड़का.
हाँ तो वो ध्यान दे देगा.
हाँ, ये नहीं होता.
It's like typical, patriarchy sense की सारी.
हाँ.
It's like
And it's,
कैसे समझाऊँ? How do I explain this? कि मतलब
ये
सारा ना
it's a little
बोझ,
thing.
सारा
little thing.
बोझ
वो
that we say ना
expected
societal.
responsibility.
हाँ, that women are expected to adjust after marriage. If she is expected to stay at home. A friend of mine.
Even if she is not expected to stay at home, अगर उसको ऑफिस में जाने दिया तो हम तो बहुत अच्छे हैं.
हाँ,
हमें
वो
तो प्राइज मिलना चाहिए.
they'll boast about it that we are so cool as in-laws.
हाँ.
Because
हमने स्कर्ट पहने थी उसकी ठीक है it's
भाई
pathetic.
कॉफी ने मेरी जबान ठंडी कर दिया बट एनीवेज नहीं नहीं थैंक्स
cold कह रही हूँ वही
नहीं but someone in my known also they were supposed to get married eventually they are but the in-laws were very adamant about the fact that we don't want our daughter-in-law to work and and why would you not if she is educated enough she is capable enough she has her own individuality and whatever भाई दोनों खुश रहेंगे यार दो जने काम करेंगे तो
funny that people will educate their daughters and they would not want her to like get a job. What was it for?
एक
Would
ना
agree.
एक बहुत अच्छा जोक था about it कि once I was after making love with my girlfriend asked came to me and asked me कि तुम्हारे माँ बाप शादी के लिए लड़की कैसे ढूंढ रहे हैं it is the same
Oh God.
it is the same
It's crazy, right? Like I would like the double standards are there from both the sides.
हाँ बिल्कुल
From both the sides.
men and women also there are times that women also don't communicate and
They don't. But
and I shit my pants when women around me don't communicate I shit my pants मतलब 2 दिन मेरी मम्मी अगर कुछ बताएंगी नहीं ना मेरे को समझ आ जाएगा भाई कुछ तो बीटी हुई है
for me also like I'm not very good at communicating. Like नहीं अब तो I have improved, but I was not. तो जो ये थे my twin, he was always like very persistent about this कि ये बात करनी है बात करनी है बात करनी है. So it kind of used to piss me off and shit. I was like क्यों बात करनी है भाई? Let's just
let it slip away.
Yeah, under the carpet. Let's.
Got it. That's not a solution. I feel
that it's not.
it's just a temporary.
I was very immature.
Got it.
And I've grown out of that. So you learn.
How have you grown out of that emotional immaturity?
I think when we were in 12th grade,
Okay.
He generally got like he used to like do stuff like मैंने उसको बोला था भाई मैं तेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करूंगी मुझसे नहीं होता. He was like ठीक है भाई it's okay I'll do stuff for you that's completely fine and he used to. मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगता था कि यार ये क्यों कर रहा है बट मेरे दिमाग में ये नहीं आया कि मुझे बुरा लगता था बट it was never like कि okay I should also do something. I was like no I'm not doing it. So like after some time there's a breaking point for the other person. He was like, bro, you need to get your shit together. And you need to treat me like a human being.
Fair.
You need to treat me good. And I was like, by treating me good, it means like, ऐसा नहीं मैं उसको मारती वारती थी. By treating नहीं वो expected हो सकता है तेरे को पता नहीं.
I was like वो बेचारा पिट रहा है भाई weekend to weekend.
नहीं. It was like I never used to communicate. I never used to like you need to appreciate your partner.
Yeah, there is a appreciation.
You can't
यार लड़कों को वैसे भी appreciation बहुत कम मिलती है.
उनको वो deserve भी वही करते हैं. But no, genuinely I would say like okay, let me tell you like the guys who like cry about this that आदमी को appreciation नहीं मिलती ये नहीं होती genuinely. But there are men who genuinely don't get appreciation and they don't cry loud about it. Although there is a problem, there is an issue that some men they don't get recognized and shit. I do agree with that. Like I am surrounded by those kind. Thankfully, I am surrounded by those kind of men who understand this thing. So it's like it's also like I would say that it's I don't know. It's like you expect women to do certain thing and वो आदमी कर देता है तो you are like very appreciative about it.
God.
I don't
but,
like it.
अच्छा, so basically you're saying like for example, if two people are working, दोनों काम कर रहे हैं, but one day the guy cooks for the family, and everybody would be like, आज इसने खाना बनाया.
अगर उन्होंने notice नहीं करा, अगर उन्होंने कुछ नहीं करा तो लड़का was like भाई मैंने खाना बनाया, किसी ने कुछ वो किया.
I feel the society has been improved. This is not.
And there is also a thing कि it takes so little to be a good father, but it takes so little to be a bad mother.
That is so true. That's very well said. Have you tweeted this? Just write an article about it.
I will.
Write an article about it.
अभी आया मेरे दिमाग में. It's true because even though मेरी मम्मा से नहीं बनती है, my mother has given so much.
Yeah.
She has genuinely given so, and I am so proud to say, मेरी मम्मा कभी भी ये चीज नहीं बोलती कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये sacrifice किया, मैंने ये sacrifice किया. शी इज अनअपोलोजेटिक अबाउट व्हाटएवर शी इज अचीव. वो मेरे बाप से लड़ती है कि मैं तुम्हारी वजह से ये नहीं कर पाई. But she never ever says कि I had an opportunity and I gave it up for something else. And
But
I'm so, and there are mothers who say this and I feel bad about it. Like this is not something to flex about. This is actually very sad.
I feel it is the incapability of that individual
Yeah.
rather than
You're
blaming it on the other one.
you're kind of like, I would not say ये तुम्हारी पूरी गलती थी.
It is, यार, it's like अगर तुम अपने हक के लिए नहीं लड़ रहे तो कोई और क्यों लड़ेगा? If you're not fighting for your own self.
और तुम्हारे हक के लिए कोई और लड़ रहा है, तुम उसको नीचे बैठा रहे हो कि भाई नहीं, it's okay, it's okay.
Fair.
It pisses me off. It genuinely pisses me off.
I've been fairly lucky enough in these situations. Matlab, I've been lucky enough. I've had good situations around me, good people around. That is, but I feel that we were talking about. I mean, society has been progressing. जो तू कह रही थी ना, कि मतलब
I
men,
don't think so.
it
I
has
think-
progressed.
No, let me tell you.
It is in a transition phase.
It is in a transition phase.
इंडिया तो है.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
ये मेरा एडिट का इतना काम बढ़ा रही है ना औरत.
India is genuinely.
I hope.
No, but you know, every country that like जो भी country, like if they have like a future to get like to be in a progressive wala phase, they go through this entire. Let me tell you, guys nowadays they are more conservative than like हमारे father की side. Slut shaming is so high.
So
It
that
is
is so
so high.
That is so.
And let me tell you, in 80s and 90s, I'm not talking about India.
हाँ.
बाहर की countries में, like European countries, US, Canada, UK, these countries, यहाँ पे like some of my like cousins or like extended family members, they grew up like 70s, 80s में when they were young. Clubbing was so fun. Like it was not about sex and shit.
Yeah.
And women used to go, men used to go. It was I don't know, it was a ritual sort of thing.
It's
Now
a
when you
source of sex for
even
everyone.
talk about it, like even
Yeah.
if you mention, and
Yeah.
let me tell you, it's men go to clubs for sex, women don't. And if you've seen packs,
Yeah.
women go in packs to have fun.
Yeah.
मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि
We're talking about majority that we've seen around. हम अपना perspective बता रहे हैं, हम इतना generalize नहीं कर रहे. Fair.
And you will see men also go clubbing, women also.
Yeah.
You'll see women like dancing or shit in clubs. And comment section में तू देखियो.
Yeah, it is.
She's someone's future wife, someone's future
It is-
Adi. So,
I feel
you would not find this in the 70s or 80s. You would not.
एक तो पहले तब इंटरनेट नहीं होता था.
अरे भाई इंटरनेट ही तुम सड़क पे देखो.
That तो I agree. I'm not disagreeing upon the fact that what you say.
Men are so obsessed with their mothers now. Like, okay, by that,
Fair.
I mean.
नहीं, एक सेकंड रुक जा. Wait. Hold on. बिल्कुल शताब्दी की तरह चल रही है, कहीं नहीं रुक रही है. नहीं, but saying about the fact that yeah, men have become slightly more conservative in that sense. Because I don't know, I feel हमारे mom dad वाली जो generation है, they have
वो तो
seen.
हमारी भी थी. वो तो हमारी भी थी.
हम तो अभी बहुत यंग है यार, उनको हमारे आधी एज पे हम.
मैं कह रही हूँ वो तो औरतें भी थी. पता है औरतों ने ना अपनी माँ को देख के सीखा है और आदमियों ने भी अपनी माँ को देख के सीखा है, बट गलत चीज सीखी है.
क्या? एक सेकंड तेरा ADHD ना मेरे को थोड़ा किकिंग कर रहा है इस समय. That we've been digressing a lot.
हाँ ठीक है.
First,
one thing at a time.
Yeah, let me address that. कि हाँ, मैंने माना आदमी कंजर्वेटिव हो रहे. It is also because of the fact that people around have been getting less exposure. पहले से ज्यादा मिल रहा है, ठीक है, in terms of women I'm saying. But still एक वो है ना कि
Yeah.
एक सेंटेंस से खत्म कर देती है.
They don't want to use that. See, I'm using my brain. मैं तो reason बता रही हूँ कि men are suffering because of patriarchy. Men are also suffering because of patriarchy.
Why don't you think फिर men ठीक कैसे होंगे फिर? Why do you think?
वो खुद ठीक होंगे तभी तो हम थोड़ी करेंगे ठीक. वो खुद
तो
ठीक होंगे.
बता ना जो सुन रहे हैं. Okay. Tell me this. How do you
सबसे पहले तो
think?
चार्ली कर्क को हटाओ दुनिया से.
किसको?
चार्ली कर्क.
Who the hell is it?
You don't know Charlie
No.
Kirk? I think you do. तुझे नाम से नहीं पता है. ये पॉडकास्ट से हटा दिया, तुझे गाली देंगे लोग.
कौन है भाई?
भाई, he's I don't know. He's a piece of shit. यार मेरे को नहीं पता क्या टिप्स
Charlie
तूने देखा होगा उसे
KIRK
he's like he comes on podcasts
political
and shit.
activist.
He's not a political activist, he's a community college dropout and who is like totally
वो
against
sophisticated Andrew Tate है.
women working yes,
Yeah, वो sophisticated Andrew Tate है. Got it. I like Andrew Tate.
I also like Andrew Tate.
Yeah,
बढ़िया है वो.
he's hot.
बढ़िया है भाई.
Like the baldness.
उसकी बातें सुन के मुझे बहुत मजा आता है.
उसकी I
मैं
feel
बताती हूँ,
नहीं नहीं एक सेकंड में
I'm cutting you.
like left right center but
हाँ.
नहीं it's okay it's fine. But I was saying it is also something that I've noticed कि Andrew Tate says shit a lot. But there is 30% of him saying conditions men in certainly positive aspects also. He says a lot about lazy men around, which is something that I feel every man should listen क्योंकि उनके पिताजी नहीं बोल रहे होते हैं वो घर पे ऐसे बैठे होते हो कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते
हाँ वो बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत बढ़िया
but
बोल देता
just
है.
cut the women crap that he says I'm not with it.
नहीं, he's even said this thing like I don't entirely agree with this but I think he said something along the lines that you don't have any right to question your women for working when you are not providing enough for her.
That's so true.
That's true. But you still should not question your women.
You cannot even get,
but
you cannot even win an argument with a woman.
Yeah, that's
मतलब it's a fact. मतलब मैं तो my dad has said this to me यार. मतलब very funny statement and very true statement. If you're fighting with your mom or any woman, mom, नानी, दादी जो भी है, sorry बोल दे. बहुत खुश रहेगा. It becomes so much easier. And it's true as well.
No, it pisses me off. But if I'm like talking to a guy and I'm in an argument with like take for granted मेरा वाला and I'm talking to him and he says okay sorry मेरा बहुत दिमाग खराब होता है.
क्यों?
बहुत मेरा मन करता है तू चला जा मैं तेरा.
अच्छा, you want an intellectual breakdown of what he said.
Not even intellectual. I'm like, why are you apologizing for something you don't even understand?
Oh.
I'm like, see, I don't want you to blindly just agree with me.
हाँ.
If you have something to say, please tell me. I don't want मेरे को ये blind चीज नहीं चाहिए कि भाई ठीक है, sorry, बात खत्म. नहीं.
मेरे को तो I feel it's I don't even have enough bandwidth to continue that argument over an extent.
I even have that condition for that. मैंने बोला if you don't have the energy to have this conversation with me right now,
बाद में कर
we
ले.
can postpone it. But don't apologize for something you don't understand.
Got it.
And that guy listens to this. He says नहीं नहीं मेरे पे energy है मैं तेरी तरह बोल नहीं पाता.
Exactly. It is true भाई. क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है एक आर्ग्यूमेंट को एक सर्टेन लेंथ से ज्यादा एक्सटेंड करने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. It's like resolve it ना. Talk about it. Resolve it.
Exactly.
But अगर वो over extend हो रहा है.
Why are you saying so?
अरे यार उस For me the sorry comes at the end of a bandwidth that is just ended. मतलब मैं अपनी माँ से 1 घंटा लड़ लूंगा 2 घंटा लड़ लूंगा बस हो गया. We'll have an argument about a certain things, for example food कि मेरे को नहीं खाना है. We'll have very day to day argument having. ठीक है. We'll have an argument about it. Eventually I'll say sorry and खत्म. Argument end हो गया यार. It is for petty arguments.
I don't know तुम्हारी माँ चुप हो जाती है कि मेरी माँ तो बोलती है.
नहीं मेरी माँ भी.
मैं ऊपर आ गई किचन से आवाज आ रही है.
It's like I rest my case, Your Honor. It is like that tactic.
मेरा दिमाग खराब. I don't see. Even if I'm having argument with somebody,
yeah,
I want it to be धीरे से बात.
Yeah.
जोर से मत बात करो.
We don't.
मेरे अगर कोई मेरे पे चिल्लाएगा मैं और चिल्लाऊंगा. I typically sound like a dying parrot when I scream. I'm not kidding.
Why the hell you have an idea of what a dying parrot sounds like?
I just know everything. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it sounds like
No,
that.
but talking about that, जो तूने बताया that how you interact with men around. What's your equation with men been so far? मतलब what do you think of men around?
मेरी आदमी से बहुत अच्छी बनती है. And I think
औरतों से क्यों नहीं बनती?
नहीं.
A question.
नहीं मेरी औरत नहीं.
क्या बात कर? I've not seen. I have not seen women around have more female friends. They have more male friends. I am not against it, but they are on better terms with their male friends than female friends.
That's not true.
क्या बात
And just मैं बताती हूँ वो आदमियों के साथ मेरी but they feel safe with the female friends, and it's true. So many of my like मेरी अपनी friend, they spend more time with their guy friends, but at the end of the day, their ride or die वाली चीज, it's their female friends, and it's true. And it's the thing that you're saying that उनकी लड़कियों से ज्यादा, those like they are different kind of women who think that they're one of the boys. We are not like
So that's subjective matter then.
like, for me, it's like people kind of they actually get surprised that I have guy friends because of the way I talk to guys. Yeah,
You've been nice enough.
वो तो तुझे लग रहा है ना, because you have sense. But I don't think many guys would be.
I have
okay.
sense, guys.
You have.
Okay, fair.
ठीक है, तेरा दिमाग तेरे घुटने में नहीं है, वो झाड़ में है.
ठीक है,
So,
got it.
It's like the way I talk, it's pathetic actually, but it's true. Like I don't think any guy would want to hear 2 minute में कि आदमी ये वो. And it's true. Men don't want to hear that. And
I get it.
इसकी वजह से, इसी चीज की वजह से मुझे अच्छे guy friends मिलते हैं.
Yeah, but it's also a fact that men are complicated in certain things. And being a guy, I know कि वो I have an
I think
idea.
Human beings in general are complicated.
Exactly.
They are
And
complicated.
यार लड़कों women are complicated in their zone. ठीक है?
हाँ,
I have no idea about them because I cannot.
Even
I cannot.
No, I don't either.
High five.
I don't either.
I cannot understand them. ठीक है? Because I cannot relate. But for men, I have a certain idea कि वो किस situation में इस तरह act क्यों कर रहे हैं.
You
I
don't.
have.
You don't. You have idea about guys who think like, who are kind of
नहीं.
like.
I feel I have an idea where they're coming from. Even if someone is making a decision,
इतना
ना.
empathetic नहीं होना मुझे. Thanks.
I don't know. But if someone is coming across as certain, maybe a dick or maybe a nice guy, I know where he's coming from. I have a certain idea कि भाई उसके पीछे उसका क्या thought process रहा होगा. Maybe
Thought process.
it's a
Because
decent enough
we
thought
have-
process. It's not always thought process.
We have talked about a guy in computer science.
अच्छा हाँ समझ गया. हाँ got it.
So I think
नहीं, I understand where his thought process also comes along.
thought process came from. Yeah, you
And
told me.
He is not at all like. You would agree.
हाँ,
He is
not.
completely different.
हाँ, yeah.
But I'm saying कि उसने जो हरकतें करी हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं इसके आगे कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, मेरे को डर लगता है. ठीक है, बट जो भी है उसने जो हरकतें करी हैं, I know why he has done that or why he has made those stupid
It's
decisions.
not valid, but
I
there's
know
a reason.
where it came from. What he was expecting or what he was like thinking at that moment कि हाँ मैं समझ सकता हूँ, but I choose not to do those in my
because
scenario.
you're not a piece of shit.
Thanks.
That's the thing.
So मतलब we were talking about men and their relations. ज्यादा क्या या चॉकलेट अच्छी नहीं है?
नहीं, आदमी and chocolate. Never thought this day would come. I love chocolate. Yes, मतलब
There you go.
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, fair. What about chocolate men?
Oh, I like.
I like dark
chocolate.
men.
Yeah.
Oh, they're hot.
हाँ,
I agree.
अरे मेरे को समझ
They have great genetics.
हाँ, they do.
Wow, ये मेरे को इतना edit करना पड़ेगा. नहीं, but I wanted to ask you, how has your interaction in college with men? Because men in college are variation. तू college का नाम मत ले, please.
I'll talk about XYZ.
हाँ, we'll talk about IIT Noida. ठीक है, that's something nice.
Yeah, we'll talk about
IIT Noida. So you spent like almost 2 years in IIT. ठीक है?
Almost
You spent 2 years.
1 year, and one almost
Semester.
half semester.
हाँ, fair. But
half semester भी नहीं, 1 महीना.
But you've had enough interaction, I feel.
I've had.
And-
it was a college.
Yeah.
Social.
Wow. ये कितना काम करवा रही है. Anyways. हाँ, so you've had enough interaction. There are enough लोगों से बात हुई है. And I feel जितना हमारे college में है, there is a wide range of men. Wide range.
There is, yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.
From A to Z है. There is not
सब है.
even. हाँ.
भाई मैंने नहीं देखा, इतना wide range नहीं देखा.
So what do you think of that?
I think men are very diverse.
Of course.
I think men are very diverse and like surprisingly मुझे genuinely almost हर एक category के, the desperate, उससे थोड़ा कम desperate, the nonchalant, and
What's a nonchalant guy?
Nonchalant guy is I don't. Nonchalant guy is like he's very chill.
Got it.
Doesn't really care about stuff, and he's not boring either. Nonchalant people are like he's not boring either. He's fine. I think. इतनी बनती नहीं यार मेरी nonchalant. I
Got
need people jumping around.
Got it.
Yeah.
ठीक है. नहीं, you were telling
And,
about variety of men in colleges.
I have met men who are like female version
Yeah.
of like I don't know, like they're practically women, and उनसे मेरी बहुत अच्छी बनती है.
You're talking about me.
No. And you're like और कौन कौन तरह के आदमी हैं यार. मेरे को मुझे बहुत लोगों ने हिट किया था. Hit me up like they.
That's what I'm talking about. Because engineering college does not have a great ratio, and for an engineering college, you're pretty enough.
And it's engineering college के लिए pretty. भैया ऐसा compliment.
Come on.
That is not a compliment, Aditya.
It is a compliment.
मैं तुझे conventionally good looking बोल रही हूँ and you are like तू engineering college के लिए pretty.
नहीं यार, I'm saying you're pretty enough.
But it's like it's very funny. Like I remember टपरी के पीछे.
What has been the funniest instance?
It's never been with a man. It's always been.
Have women hit on you? ये मेरे को इतनी बार म्यूट करना है ना.
Oh shit, sorry.
नहीं, but पहले तो टपरी के पीछे वाला इंसिडेंट.
अरे टपरी के पीछे. Okay, so I went with a friend. He was not a friend actually. He taught me how to spell shit. So, मतलब he was a friend. यार ये edit कर दियो. Still on my account. So, we went टपरी के पीछे and like he was from computer science. He was a senior. तो हम वहाँ जाते थे and मैंने ना ये मेरे माँ बाप भी देखेंगे. So मैं वहाँ बैठी हुई थी बस. I was chilling and like I was with the senior and we were like talking and shit and वहाँ पे लोग smoke कर रहे थे. तो उसके दोस्त आए 2-3 and I was just sitting and मैं तो भाई कर लेती हूँ मैं किसी से भी बात. मैं तो
fair.
तो फिर so and it's like उसने मुझे introduce भी नहीं करा. मैं खुद hello hi my name is blah blah XYZ. And this guy literally like this is me. Like he's talking and then he saw me and he's like he did not even introduce. It was so obvious that he's like he like he's just like constantly staring into my soul and I had to pretend that I don't see him. And there was this other friend who continuously kept talking to me and I was talking to him and it was like all chill. फिर उसके बाद I left college and shit. उसके बाद अब तक he hits me up. अब तक.
How, like DM?
हाँ. मैंने उसको 1-2 बार टेक्स्ट किया था. Like he texted me and he was like let's go out and shit. मैंने बोला ठीक है I'll ask my friends. Obviously he was asking me out. मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि मैं हूँ तो फिर सब काम कराऊंगी तेरे से. तो I was like मैं अपने फ्रेंड से पूछती. तो बोला नहीं हमारे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स ही हैं. You're asking me out. You are supposed to make it clear that you are asking me out ताकि मैं मना कर पाऊँ. मुझे लगा he was just like मैं नहीं हमारे कोई कॉमन फ्रेंड्स होंगे let's just go. मैं उसको जानती भी नहीं हूँ. ठीक है. I was like I don't even know you. कहते जान लेंगे.
Wow.
मैंने उससे बात नहीं करी. उसके बाद वो from month to month hey फिर वो 2 महीने तक मैं रिप्लाई नहीं करती. delete. फिर वहाँ पर what the भाई.
Yeah. I have never understood this equation of hitting up on Instagram. Never understood.
I genuinely thought that this is only illiterate guys do that, but he was doing computer science.
It's not about computer science. It's just I don't know. I have seen a lot of guys hit on Instagram people, and मेरे को समझ नहीं आता कभी. If you don't know the other person, तो एक तो follow request कैसे भेज? Out of nowhere.
ऐसा भी हो कि like
you've spoken at least once in person. कुछ हुआ हो, ठीक है? एक तो मेरे को Instagram से moving forward वाली equation कभी समझ नहीं आती. Just go up, hit on a call, जो भी है. दूसरी मेरे को वो age difference वाली equation कभी समझ नहीं आती जो colleges में होती है. That the girl 17, 18, 19 and the guy is 23, 24, 25.
Why?
I've never understood that.
This is so common. Why is it so common?
And I have never understood there's the fact that I know why it happens. I know why it happens. It's like the girl is 9. 17, 18, 19. She's in college. And the guy is not being validated by the women of his age.
Please.
So he seeks validation from women who are too young.
Like I've seen so many guys going for younger girls, and it's like they have this thing for women who don't have experience for life.
Yeah, younger girls is still fine, but the equation when there is the 21 to 25 wala equation is still also fine. If the girl is 21, the guy is 24. It's still both of them have experience.
They're 20s ke upar.
Yeah. But the 17, 18, 19-year-old women are like,
she's in first year.
She's just out of school. And 23, 24-year-old, what the hell are you doing?
मतलब how do you go to office and then tell everybody मेरी बंदी
स्कूल से आई है उसे स्कूल से लेके जाऊंगा मैं. It's like I feel why it happens is because those girls want to experience shit too early at their life. वो एक FOMO बन जाता है and the guy is not getting enough validation around.
पता है women they also have this thing of अगर मेरे पास experienced लड़का होगा I'll get to learn stuff. It is true. It's true.
But it's eventually they get their heart broken because the guy was just using her or just
using her. They're young, bhai.
They're
like,
naive.
They're actually they're children.
They're naive. Yeah. They क्या we are also मैं तो हूँ छोटा ही, but eventually that is the thing. Yeah. मैं नहीं डाल रहा ये वाला segment. But नहीं, I've never understood that equation.
I have. मैंने तो decode भी कर दिया. दोनों लड़का ज़्यादा है, लड़की is naive. I literally like I know people in my batch and shit.
It's very common around us, na?
It's very common.
And most of the time, is the woman who suffers in that case. In that case, usually it is.
It is. It's not even about suffering. It's weird, bhai. It's weird from the guy's perspective. Like, how are you attracted to a?
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, it's not about attraction. It's about he is not getting enough validation from people around. It is easier to get.
So why not?
It is very up in that sense.
So, yeah.
True. Nice. How do you sustain a relationship? What do you think?
Platonic, romantic, सारे.
A romantic relationship.
Like मैं कैसे झेल लेती हूँ. कैसे झेल लेती हूँ. भाई पता है, I generally don't think I'm the kind of person like in general. I'm not wired that way to be in relationships. Like सब बोलते हैं, but generally it's like it's that way because I always have this thing that I have to have control, like not over that person, but over like various situations. And I do not take like I don't know how do I say this. Like if something go wrong, मेरा दिमाग बहुत खराब होता है. And I cannot adjust. I genuinely cannot adjust. मुझसे adjustment बिल्कुल नहीं होता. Even now I'm saying और तब तो होता ही नहीं था पहले. तो मेरे से नहीं होता है. But I think thankfully if I got genuinely a person who understands that and who puts up with that and who has put up with that since so long. So and he's never made me feel like I need to adjust. He's always made me feel like it's not adjustment, it's coordination.
It's freedom.
It's freedom, it's coordination. Like if you're doing something, मैं भी कुछ करूँगा. It's not कि I have to adjust. ठीक है भाई, he's kind of sensitive, so I have to like मुझे अपनी tongue थोड़ी संभाल के. नहीं, I've never done that. I've never filtered myself out. I've never ever. But वो ना खुद हो जाता है. If you are with the kind of person who's respecting you, who's respecting your emotions, तो तुम्हारे अंदर आ जाता है. If you are a good person, तो तुम्हारे अंदर आ जाती है वो चीज कि भाई I should also do stuff. I should also do this. And भाई we are both very entertaining. It is so fun.
I would agree. But it's a matter of fact that if you can be yourself with the other person, जहाँ pretentiousness आ गई, वहाँ खत्म.
And it's like pretentiousness आती भी है तो साथ में आती है. I don't
know. That is true. That is so true. Because I feel it happens because one person starts pretending because he or she is like, maybe does not want to work it out anymore. ठीक है? And the other person sooner or later realizes that. Eventually, maybe the other person is so connected that उसे end नहीं करना है.
तो खींचता रहे.
and he'll just pretend that he has not realized seeing the other person pretend. तो वो खींचेगा. And it's just a rubber band. It will
It's not-
stretch
it's
as
not
much
even-
as it can, and it snaps it like
खराब.
it ends ugly.
I also don't like this term that people use that चल जाए या फिर we are trying to make this work or this will work.
It's like make it work.
It's not even make. हाँ, मतलब at one
मतलब
point it is.
It is, yeah, eventually you will fight. Eventually in relationships, fights are there. ठीक है, arguments are there. But if both of you want to make it work, eventually you will.
You will, exactly. भाई अगर एक इंसान जैसे मेरा था यार, मैं यार, but मेरा था, मैं भाग जाती थी, मैं बात ही नहीं करती थी.
But
And उसका एक वो था कि भाई we will not sleep without resolving. We will not do that.
I'm on the same matter of fact.
Like when you find the same level of
Insanity.
Exactly. And bhai, I genuinely feel like it's like, okay, I've seen women say this, like I'm gonna flex this now. I've seen women say this a lot, that okay, they are not able to, like, even if they don't feel like they want to be with that person, like they don't want to be with that person, they feel like that, they're not able to like break it off, because it's like, bhai, isse acha kahan milega, nobody will love me like he does, like. But मेरे केस में it's like, मेरे लिए ये चीज इतनी bare minimum है, respect, love, whatever, जो भी.
It's in general bare minimum.
It's bare minimum for me. मेरे लिए top वाली चीज वो है that भाई vibe match हो रही है, तो मेरे लिए कभी जैसे fight होती है तो I'm like, I think बहुत जल्दी भाई, like पहले, like अभी तो थोड़ा कम हो गया, but पहले it used to be like fight हुई है, ब्रेकअप करना है भाई, ब्रेकअप करके अब फिर मेरे दिमाग में ये आता था कि नहीं यार, बट इससे अच्छा बाय I mean कि यार ऐसा बकचोद आदमी थोड़ी मिलेगा मुझे.
The compatibility.
Yeah, exactly. And the thing is, I have equation, like the kind of equation I have with him is similar to like the kind of equation I have with my friends.
Yeah.
So if you can friends, what's better than that?
Yeah, it's our relationship is eventually
Exactly. A
friendship with sex.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Very normal definition.
Like sitting in a cafe, but
Yes. No, but that is so true.
That's true. And मैं कुछ बोलने वाली.
तेरा ADHD
यार,
पूरे
मेरे बहुत-
podcast में kick in करा. Have you realized that?
Comment section में लोग diagnose करेंगे.
You've been diagnosed with ADHD,
हाँ,
right?
I've been diagnosed.
That's fine.
I used to take meds for it.
Damn.
I realized that I'm not as interesting.
How terrible was it?
My ADHD was not terrible. I think ADHD के साथ I had other like disorders as well. So that
Wow. I was not aware about that.
Yeah, but yeah, it did not go like nothing has gone away. Like as a mental illness जाती नहीं है, just somehow like
Live with it.
Learn to live with it.
It's like living with all the traumas you have in
all
life.
the like identity disorders that you have.
Identity crisis.
वो तो होती है हम.
तेरे को डर किस चीज से लगता है? Never asked you this, ना?
You?
I've never asked you this. Wow.
You know.
तेरे को सबसे डर किस चीज से लगता है?
मुझे this is like I think generic answer, but मुझे बहुत डर लगता है being unsuccessful, and by unsuccessful I don't mean money. When I say unsuccessful, I mean that I'm not happy at the end of the day. Like whatever I'm doing, I want to love it, and I want to do the best in it. If I'm gonna love it, I'm gonna do the best in it, and it honestly does not matter. By success, I genuinely mean the people I'm around and how I am. That is success for me, genuinely.
Got it.
Like even if I become like I want to be very good. Like I want to be remembered, like not by the world, but even like the people I'm working with or whatever. I want to be remembered that bro, she was good at this.
Yeah.
She was so fun, and I want to be remembered as a very funny person. I want to be.
That I also want.
Well,
Everybody wants to be funny.
Yeah.
Everybody is not funny though.
Yeah.
But everybody wants to be funny.
But some people are men. So it's just let's moving on.
Okay. You use men as a slang and abuse randomly. Have you realized that?
It's okay though.
But yeah, for me,
fear, बताओ.
My fear. पता नहीं, I don't know why, but it sounds very stupid. Been through so much that it's like there is no particular fear.
नहीं, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा fear है. बहुत बड़ा fear.
मेरा बस यही एक fear है कि one day I wake up and have zero motivation to do anything.
अरे हाँ, ये मेरे सब factors है fear के.
हाँ.
But मेरा सबसे बड़ा fear यही है that I want to be on my deathbed and be like फाड़ के रख दी, फाड़ के रख दी।
ये मैं intro में डालूंगा। This will be the intro. जो मैं फाड़ के रख दी भाई।
मतलब I just like yeah, I want to be that.
God.
Genuinely. I want to be like even if I meet somebody for once, if bro, I met
And he
this one
remembers.
person,
Yeah.
she was good at this, she was this.
It's like पिछले पॉड में भी बोला था मैंने, इंसान जीता ही सेक्स और वैलिडेशन के लिए। And it's true.
मतलब हाँ, and it's not that I want to value, मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं I'm doing this for validation. मुझे ये पसंद, like अगर मैंने किसी इंसान को जान से मार दिया, ठीक है, and मुझे बहुत वैलिडेशन मिल रही है, मुझे उससे खुशी नहीं मिलेगी because मुझे वो नहीं करना था।
It's like positive validation.
No, not positive. देख, अगर मैंने किसी इंसान की बहुत गंदी बेइज्जती मारी है and मुझे किसी ने वैलिडेशन नहीं दी उसके लिए, तो I would be very disheartened.
God. It's like,
मुझे
how do you explain? It's like
I want the
conscious validation.
I want the validation over things that I like.
Got
and
it.
I like to do.
Got it.
Why did I say insult? Why? मतलब,
You don't like to kill people, basically.
yeah, I know.
Yeah. But eventually you were reading How to Kill Your Family.
I mean, yeah, you should read that book, by the way. It's
I love my family.
no,
But-
I love my family too, bro. It's very chaotic. मेरे को लग रहा है अगर हमारी वो क्या बोलते हैं उसे, फैमिली शो नहीं, what do we say it?
Family happiness.
रियलिटी शो।
हाँ.
भाई इतना पैसा आएगा ना
घर पे ही बिग बॉस.
घर पे बिग बॉस, एंड आई एम नॉट किडिंग व्हेन आई से घर पे बिग बॉस, इट इज वर्स बिकॉज भाई 15 साल की बच्ची भी है भाई, वो भी पार्ट टेक ले रही है। इट्स क्रेजी। आई लव माय फैमिली।
Everybody loves their family.
Everybody's crazy
In
my
some or the
family.
other way. Everybody loves their family. Okay. One thought. Probably the last one. What is something that you really want to do in life? मतलब ये थोड़ा पॉडकास्टिंग टाइप वाला क्वेश्चन हो गया जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था, बट पता नहीं क्यों.
Thing that
That's something that you really want, and अगर वो नहीं हुआ, that will eventually make you sad.
think I want to do something on international platform, like either publish a book and like ये तो मेरा था कि I want to publish something on international platforms and be known for it. Like obviously तुम famous तो नहीं होगे, but I want to do something like that, and like it is gonna sound very cringe, but like since the age like I was 16, I genuinely had this thing of like making a sort of impact on people. It could be any sort of impact, not negative, but any sort of anything but negative impact. I've like I really love to write. Okay, I like to write, so it would be very nice if it could be something related to that. But growing up, I never told this. I think I really wanted to pursue acting.
Oh,
I'm
I'm unaware about this.
I actually like my parents were not very supportive because obviously middle class family से कैसे करके होगा. So I really wanted to like, and I was good at it. Like all of my relatives, they were like they used to tell my parents, "Bhai, Rimchim is so good at this. Rimchim को please तुम acting में दो." And ऐसा होता था कि मैं कहीं भी जाऊँ, किसी भी relatives के घर पे जाऊँ, like acting करके दिखाओ. वो दीपिका पादुकोण का वाला सीन नहीं है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में, जो वो सोती है उठती है, तंगा वाली किट्टा वाड़ा वाला.
Yeah, I remember.
I used to nail it.
Damn.
I'm not kidding. I used to nail it, and I was very good at like copying accent, South Indian accent, French accent. I was very good at it. And I genuinely like, I think till 10th grade I had this like बचपन से लेके 10th grade तक I had this craze, मुझे acting करनी है. Like I want to act. In fact, when I was in 7th grade, वो नहीं होते like जो film festivals में जो films
Yeah.
दिखाते हैं छोटे मोटे directors की, not छोटे मोटे but
But short films.
हाँ short films वगैरह. So I was actually casted for that.
Yeah.
And but मेरी मम्मा की उस lady से लड़ाई हो गई
Wow.
or something like that. So yeah, it was like that. Like I still wanna like do something उसमें acting skills में. I really do. I was very good at it. भाई मेरे को लोग बोलते थे कि रोके दिखाओ, मैं रोके दिखा देती थी on the spot with ASU and everything. I don't know how.
Your guy must have had terrible times figuring it out when it's real or an acting.
Yeah, that's true. No, he's also good at acting.
What?
No, he is.
You know how it's
Yes.
sounding like you both are good at acting and you both acting like it's working out.
Oh God.
Wow.
Yeah, मतलब as long as it's working out and we're both
It's fine.
happy, it's fine.
Yo. So it's almost 3 in the morning, and I've been on the edit from like as long as I can remember. Just two people, two friends, sitting at a random cafe talking about random shit that nobody cares about. Something that I really love doing in general on day-to-day basis. I don't know. Just if you've made it till here, you've probably watched the entire video. So first of all, thank you so much and hats off. तुम कितने वेले हो अपनी लाइफ में, but ठीक है. Thank you so much for doing this. Now, अब तुम इतने वेले ही हो और तुमने इतना कुछ सुन लिया है, तो I want you guys to just actually tell me constructively या genuinely जैसी भी लगी कि conversation कैसी लगी, बातें कैसी लगी, अच्छी लगी, बुरी लगी, बहुत बुरी लगी, बहुत अच्छी लगी. Just जाओ और बताओ. Show it in the comments. Tell me in the comments. अच्छा बुरा जो लगे सब बता दो. Also share it with as many people as you can. मतलब the numbers are the only piece of motivation on social media. I still love doing it, but numbers help me, बढ़िया लगते हैं, अच्छे लगते हैं. So yeah. Plus also thank you so much to everyone for making this happen. Who you helped me making this happen. Rimjim, Weber bhaiya, Ashutosh bhaiya, Shashwat bhaiya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to you guys for listening to this. And you will probably see me again at a random cafe with a random friend talking about random shit that nobody cares. I'll see you. Shower as much love as you can. Bye. Good night. I need to sleep.